The person staring back at you in the mirror is not who you were born to be. Every limitation, every fear, every excuse, it belongs to the old version of you. Today, it's time to kill the old you. Before you can become someone new, you need to confront the old you. The old you is lazy. The old you fears change. The old you hides in comfort and avoids pain, even though pain is the gateway to growth. Ask yourself, what habits, what thoughts, what routines are keeping you small? That is the old you, and it's time to let it. Killing the old you starts in the mind. Every time you think, I can't, your old self wins. Every time you stay comfortable, your old self is alive. To kill it, you must rewrite your thoughts. Replace I can't with I will. Replace I'm tired with I will push through. Replace excuses with action. Transformation starts here, in your mind, every single day. The old you didn't fight for your dreams. The new you will. Action kills fear. Action kills excuses. Action kills the old you. Don't wait for motivation, it's a lie. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline, habits, and consistent effort are what destroy the old you. Start today. Run 1 mile further than yesterday. Write 1 more page. Make 1 more call. Every small action stacks to demolish the old you. The old you avoided pain. The new you seeks it. Pain is growth disguised as struggle. Every rejection, every failure, every moment of discomfort is your tool. Embrace it. Lean into it. That is how the old you dies and the new you rises. The old you avoided pain. The new you seeks it. Pain is growth disguised as struggle. Every rejection, every failure, every moment of discomfort is your tool. Embrace it. Lean into it. That is how the old you dies and the new you rises. Now imagine yourself, 6 months from today. The old you is gone. You are stronger. Smarter. Faster. More disciplined. Every decision you make today either kills the old you or resurrects it. Choose wisely. Fight for the new you every single day, and one day, the old version of yourself will be nothing but a memory. The old you is dead. The new you is alive. Now go out there and prove it. Kill the old you. Own your life.